All right, guys, how we doing? We are on lesson 22, almost there. So it's just division, but the numbers are going to get a little bit bigger. We're still dealing with remainders. Um, so let's get going. So number one, let's look at B. So I have 730 divided by 32. So I'm going to do 730. I'm going to make it a little bigger so that you can clearly see my thinking. I'm going to space my numbers a little bit out. 32. If you need extra room or something like that, all you got to do is just get another piece of paper or use your iPad, etc. 32 does not go into 7. 32 goes into 73. Well, if I double 32, I get 64, so I know that's 2. Now, 64 and 73 is 9, so I have 9 left over. So then this 9 here, I'll do it a different color. So now it's 90. So now 32 goes into 90. How many times? Let's see. If I goes in 3 times, well, 30 times 3 is 90. So, but this is 32. So I know it's too big. So that would be 64. 64 to 70 is 6. 70 to 90 is 20. So it's going to be 22 with a remainder of 26. Okay. So how I got that, I just counted up. So if I did double check with multiplication, 32 times 22, I'm just going to do standard algorithm. 704 plus 26 is 730. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, let's look at another one. 940 divided by 28. This is where, guys, we'll use some estimating. Okay. So 28 doesn't go into 9. Now, this was 30 and this was 90. It go in 3 times. I'm going to try 3 on the side. It may work, it may not work. That's 6, that's 8. Yes! So 3 does work. And that's 84, and that's 10. So I'm going to put a 10 right here. So 20 goes into 100. Well, I know it's going to go in 3 times because I can't get closer than 84. So it's 3 there. So now I got 100 minus 84. It's going to be 16. Okay? 33 times 28. I am kind of going quickly through this because I assume you know how to do this. Okay? There we go. I'm assuming we know how to do the multiplication. Division I can help you out with. Okay, let's go to another one. 27 students are learning to make balloon animals. There are 172 balloons to be shared equally among the students. How many balloons are going to be left over after sharing them equally? Okay, so it's a division problem because I got to figure out how many they're going to each get. But then I want to know how much is left over. That's your remainder. So now I'm going to do 172 times 20. I'm sorry. Okay. Scratch that. I'm going to try that again. 172 divided by 27. All right. Doesn't go in, doesn't go in. So now I'm going to do some estimate. If this is a 30, and then this is 7, that'd be 8. So let's try 6. So let's try 27 times 6. Because I rounded this guy's to 18. So this would be 180. This is 30. This just gives me a ballpark of where to start. It may not be my right answer. It may be too big, too small. I don't know. 62. Right? Yep. So it goes in 6 times. So that's 162. If I do this, here's my subtraction. I get 10. So 6 remained to 10. So how many balloons? 10 balloons. Because each kid's going to get 6. So I have 10 balloons left over. If each student needs 7 balloons, how many more balloons are needed? Well, there are, so hold on one second. So there's 27 students. Each student needs 7 balloons. Right now, each student is getting 6 balloons. I have 10 balloons left over. So I have to do 27 students minus 10 balloons. And that's 17. So I need 17 more balloons. Okay, let me just do that again because I might have lost some people. So when I divide it up here, I got this 6 balloons. So the 6 balloons, each student is getting 6 balloons, right? So then I had this remainder. And this remainder was 10 balloons left. And I know you guys like, I talk about remainders and naked numbers. When you do word problems like this, when you can label these numbers, it kind of helps you understand where the numbers belong. Because you might have seen this 6 and you're like, well, what's the 6 represent? Well, it's 6 balloons. And then, yeah, it takes a little extra time, but it does help. Now, if each student needs 7 balloons, right now we're at 6, how many more balloons are needed? Well, there's 10 balloons left. There's 27 kids. So I need 17 more balloons to get each kid an extra balloon. All right? All right. Sorry it's a little longer, but I want to make sure you guys understand that one. All right. Bye.